Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, family. This is the Velvetlox with another weight loss video for you today. Now, today I'm going to show you how to drop at least 15 pounds in 1 to 2 weeks. You're going to see some serious weight loss. Now, you're going to need a pan, which is on the stove. You're going to need some fennel seeds or fennel powder. Okay, some of you have asked me about the fennel powder. Well, we're going to use that today. We're also going to be using some coriander seeds, our wonderful cumin seeds. We're going to also be using a few sprigs of freshly washed mint leaves and also a lemon, okay? We're also going to be using 1 liter of water, which I'm going to put in the pan right now. And lastly, I'm going to also be using some coconut oil, okay? This is an awesome way for you to use every day, okay? So we're going to be putting some coconut oil in there as well. All right, let's begin putting into our pan. You're going to start off by putting 2 teaspoons of fennel powder, okay, into our pot, okay. We're also going to be using 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds as well. And also 2 teaspoons of our coriander seeds. And also we're going to put in our mint leaves for flavoring. Okay, and lastly we're going to slice our lemon and boil that as well. The reason I boil the lemon is because it really makes this drink more powerful. The lemon really gives it a nice extra boost and burns that fat off even faster and better. You're going to see weight loss with that. So we're going to boil this for at least 15 minutes on a low to medium flame. Okay, and we'll be right back after it's done. Okay, our drink is ready. Okay, now we're going to take our strainer, drink right into our cup. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into our morning drink. And your drink is ready. Okay, now this is going to help you to lose up to 15 pounds, you guys, in 1 week. Okay, so you're going to drink this at least 2 to 3 times a day. This is powerful. This is definitely going to help burn that fat from your body. It's going to shrink you down. It's going to help to suppress your appetites because of the lemons. This is going to do it for you, okay? So don't forget to drink this at least 2 to 3 times a day before every meal, okay? You will see some results in a week. So you're going to lose up to 15 pounds easy with this very fast fat burner drink, all right? So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and also thumbs them up, you guys. Give them a nice big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you all for joining me on these videos. Don't forget to eat light, eat healthy meals so you will see the results that you are looking for, all right? And I will join you guys in the next video.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.